Hey guys, so I'm just showing you my winter skincare routine featuring this Duvel Spin Brush that I featured in my last skincare routine video. It comes with 3 brush heads, like you guys already know, a body brush, and 2 facial brushes. One is harder than the other. I still really like this spin brush because, it cleanses and exfoliates your skin, and it just makes washing your face so much easier versus than doing it with your hands. I'm using this black soap that I've been testing on my face. It might be a new product that I'm going to offer on my website. My black soap is formulated with great ingredients like turmeric powder, honey, kojic acid, and other great products that help maintain a clear, bright complexion. Being that it's winter and also that we have to wear these masks, which makes me break out and makes my skin dry as hell, I really like this soap and I really like this spin brush because I find that it gets rid of all that dead skin that would make me usually dry and flaky, and this just helps keep my skin smooth and glowy. As you guys are going to notice right here, I'm actually using a spin brush on my baby hairs because I put like edge control and gel in there, and that's not good to have all that product caked up on essentially your forehead, which is your face. So I always make sure that I wash all that product out and I just use fresh product every day because I hate when I break out on my forehead. Essentially what I do is I rub in the dry product with my bare hands for 15 seconds, and then I use the spin brush for about 30 seconds around my face, and then I go back in with more water with my hands and I get that product around my eyes just in case I have on any makeup, and also to get rid of my dark circles. This is how my skin looks when it's fresh and clean with no product on it. And at night I do use a mixture of like neoprosone and other brightening cream products on my face. If you guys want to see a video of what I use as my night cream and how I mix it all together, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below.
Many hours later.
This is how I do my morning routine. I just use my CeraVe facial cleanser and I just rub that in my skin with my hands. I don't use the spin brush because I used it last night and you really shouldn't exfoliate that much. And I just rub that all around my skin. And I do this especially if I have on makeup the night before or if my skin just feels dry. But sometimes I just wash my face with water. I don't use anything on my face, but today I'm using the CeraVe hydrating facial cleanser and drying my face off with a towel. And then I use a CeraVe, this is a night cream, but I like to use this in the morning because it really hydrates my face, and this is perfect for the winter time because your skin gets so dry. So yeah, I love using night creams. Like I will use a night cream all day. That's just what I do. Also, for extra hydration, I'm using this vitamin E oil and I'm just putting like a dot on my face, and this just makes my skin look glowy, and my skin loves hydrating oils like vitamin E oil. So that's it for this routine. If you guys like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.